Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. On the heels of the announcement of Pizza Hut's global operations being sold by parent company Yum Brands, the local franchise operator is moving ahead with plans to expand the brand in Jamaica. The local expansion comes as Pizza Hut's international operations face challenges, leading Yum Brands to sell the global business to Long-Range Capital for US $2.7 billion. Restaurants of Jamaica, led by Mark Myers, is investing 180 million Jamaican dollars to build a new Pizza Hut restaurant in Cumberland, Portmore. The new location will become the 16th Pizza Hut outlet in Jamaica and the 11th outside of Kingston and St. Andrew. The investment forms part of a wider $500 million expansion program by Restaurants of Jamaica to grow its Pizza Hut and KFC franchises locally. Kingston Creative announced the launch of the Create Tech Incubator. This is an incubation program designed to equip early-stage creative entrepreneurs with the tools, mentorships, and networks needed to build innovative, impact-driven ventures that leverage AI and new technologies. The Create Tech Incubator is delivered as part of Connect to Caribbean, an initiative of the Carib Equity Facility, co-founded by IDB Lab and the European Union. The program will run from July through November 2026, with training sessions, mentoring, and culmination in a demo day. Over 4 months, they will cover problem identification, customer discovery, value propositions, business model design, and financial sustainability. In addition, training in AI and new digital technologies will be delivered to ensure that creatives are applying technology to their businesses. For the trading period of June 16, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 15,557,044 units, representing 32.41% of market sales activities. Jamaica Teas Limited with 10,634,939 units, representing 22.15% of market sales activity. Dollar Financial Services Limited with 6,147,316 units, representing 12.81% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and finance plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 17, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. Trading margins for the US dollar reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.62 and buying at $157.11. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 61-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.32 and was bought for $112.71. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.51 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.46 and was bought for $210.95. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, many professionals spend years building their resumes, expanding their networks, and investing in education. They understand the importance of credentials, experience, and reputation. Yet one of the most powerful assets influencing their future opportunities often receives very little attention: their credit profile. A credit score is not simply a number used by banks. It is a reflection of financial behavior, consistency, and trustworthiness. It can determine whether opportunities move quickly into reality or remain out of reach. The most significant career and business opportunities often appear unexpectedly. A business owner identifies an acquisition opportunity. A consultant wants to expand into a new market. A professional is offered a position requiring relocation. An entrepreneur needs equipment to fulfill a large contract. Or a property investor discovers an attractive investment opportunity. The challenge is that opportunity does not wait for perfect timing. Those who can access capital quickly are often the ones who benefit the most. This is where a strong credit score and healthy credit report become strategic advantages. For our funded and focused feature, many entrepreneurs become highly skilled at generating revenue. They understand customers, operations, sales, and service delivery. What they often do not understand is how wealth is created beyond the operating business. The world's wealthiest individuals are rarely compensated primarily on their labor. Instead, they benefit from ownership of companies, ownership of intellectual property, ownership of real estate, ownership of investment portfolios, ownership of systems that continue generating value long after the original work has been completed. This is where many business owners continue to encounter a hidden ceiling. So they're excellent operators, but not yet strategic owners. The transition requires a different set of tools. Not more hours, not more meetings, not more volunteer commitments. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.